Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book about the sovereigns of the sea by Angus Konstam, author of the Blackbeard, the quest to build the perfect Renaissance battleship. In this book, historian Angus Konstam charts the dramatic course of this all-out struggle for maritime supremacy. He explains why the very notion of placing heavy artillery aboard a sailing vessel posed daunting challenges to Renaissance shipbuilders, and why trial and error efforts to overcome those challenges could easily result in disaster. Citing shipbuilding efforts in England, France, Spain, the Netherlands, Sweden, and even Scotland, Konstam examines the 2 centuries of politics, technology, ambition, and savage sea battles that produced the ultimate military sailing vessel, the ship of the line. The ultimate warship, her keel measured 126 feet, and she stretched 150 feet overall. Her 46.5-foot beam sacrificed speed for the sake of stability, and the 19 feet of water she drew denied her access to smaller ports. 102 heavy bronze cannons that bristled from her flakes guaranteed that this black-hulled, ornately decorated monster would live up to her name, Sovereign of the Seas. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.